balcony, but we'll fucking get you too. At the end of it, everyone's gonna be a sweating, screaming mess. Even the most difficult to flirt with partner is gonna dance with the Hives tonight.